Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. So Bitcoin couldn't hold the first cross rotation zone, came down, no rotation up, falling back down into the prior consolidation area. Gives us opportunity if it breaks down again. The real next level we'll be focusing on now is this Gann projection down 3402. Also, you see that was another key support level. So we have the Gann projection from the most recent swing high, this little one down there. That's what we'll be watching for. First level key resistance now is about 3585 to 3600. If we get through 3600, we'll be watching for a return to this 3694 to 3712 area. That's going to be a key cluster area. And then again, if we get a close above, especially the 50-day moving average, I'll be looking for the higher prices. If we can't get above, especially around this 3600 level, I'll start watching for these possible projection prices down. Let's check in on the daily chart. Daily chart, you see here, 8 still providing key resistance, opening, running up to the 8, and dropping down. So we really need on a daily basis for this to get any traction. For the bull case, you really need a close above this 3700 level, which would take you above the 8. And then we'd start running now. The top of the rotation zone is about with the 25% retracement, so 4111 is the key level on the daily, that if we get a close above the 8 and we get through these next intermediate Gann levels, and we'll start watching for resistance up there. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum never got the first cross the rotation zone. Just came back down, holding at this first little level of prior resistance, becoming support, then breaking through, giving us a new Gann projection down. So if these levels do not hold, 88.77, then 87.25. The main one I'll be watching is 87.25, which is this prior little resistance shelf becoming potential support along with the Gann projection. Key resistance, first level key resistance I'll be looking at is about 94.60. If we get through that, then I'll be looking for a return to about 99, 98, 93, 99, with the declining 50 coming in there, just shy of this 100 target. That'll be the next area we'll be watching for based off the 4-hour chart. Daily chart hasn't been able to run up yet into the 8. Didn't even get to it today. Ethereum, again, still a lot weaker than Bitcoin. So Ethereum, the key level for the closing basis that we'll be watching is above, I'm still going to have to say 100. I like to just see this 99.23 is where the 8 is, but that 100 is such a psychological number, and also it's a 12.5% retracement area. Again, not getting into a more bullish mode till at least we get a close above there, and then the 8s or the 21s just dropping below the 118.50 level. I pay more attention at this point to the 21 if we do get a close above that 100 level to see how we rally, but we have to get through that 107 first. That's going to be, there's a lot of people buying dips now that might look to bail out, especially if we can get above the rotation zone. Then anybody who bought dips in here who's now wrong might look to just bail out. So there's going to be key resistance right around that area. So we have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.